Hello and welcome to Crafting Unedited. My name's Sierra and I am your host. Today we're going to show you how to use the slice tool in Design Space. The slice tool helps you combine images or pictures or shapes to create a different kind of shape. So we're going to start off with a square and a circle, right? You have a square and a circle. Let's say you want to create a new shape by putting the circle inside of the square, like so. Can you see that? I think you can see that. So we're gonna take the circle and we'll make it a different color for you. There you go. So you have a square with a circle inside, but you don't want to keep the circle. You just want the circle. I don't know how to explain that. You don't want to keep the pink circle. You just want an open in your square. So we're going to make, not the circle, the square, just a smidgen bigger. And we're going to put this right in the middle. And to do that, you're going to go up here to align and center. And align and center. Ta-da, it is centered. So then you're going to select both the circle and the square. And you'll go down here to the right hand corner and you'll see, I'll zoom in a little bit. In the right hand corner right here, it says slice. You'll select slice and now you can move your circle and you have a square with a hole in it, basically. Let's say you want to create another one to make kind of like a donut. We need to bring this forward though. Arrange, move forward. There we go. I think a donut hole needs to be a little bit smaller than that. We're gonna align it. Center, align, center. And then the same thing, you're gonna select both, slice it, and then you remove your layers. This is how you create different layers. So now you can add some little lines and create a donut. How fun is that? So that is how you use the slice tool. If you want to put something like words across here, it's the same thing. Just type hi. All right, we'll make this small enough to fit in your donut. Just throw it in there a little bit somehow. And I want to change the font because it's fun. Why not? Alrighty. There we go. Oh, nope. So you kind of got like O-H-I-O. Like Ohio. Nah, I made a funny. So in order to slice the text, you'll do the exact same thing. You'll select the entire thing. You'll go down to your slice button. You'll hit slice. And now you have hi in your donut. How fun is that? Now if you don't want to use those, you just delete them. And when you go to cut, I'll show you the final product on that. When you go to cut, you can see that your H and your I is basically stamped into that donut. How neat is that? It's pretty cool, huh? All right, that's that. That's how you use your slicing tool in Cricut Design Space. So, I'm going to be doing lots more of these short tutorials for you guys. Please do subscribe so that you can see when I am doing them or so that you can see when I'm on and posting new stuff because that's pretty awesome, right? Till next time, enjoy and have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.